Hi everyone, welcome back to Over the Wire. We at Black Bat Terminal will be going through level 8 for today's video. For this level, instead of using the find command to search for files based on specific conditions, we will shift our approach to using the Grep Command, where it searches within the contents of files. Looking at the requirements for this level, we're trying to find the password stored next to the word millionth. To better understand how Grep works, let's look at a visual example. Let's say we have a text file containing 3 lines of text, which contains the password to my mail accounts. For example, when I forget my password, we can use grep to look for the right password for my account. First, enter the search pattern followed by the file name. This command will now search through the file looking for the word personal and return the entire line it appears in. To solve this level, replace the search pattern and the input file based on our requirements and give the level a go yourself. Good luck! Welcome back. To solve this level, I first used ls to see what files we were working with. Running the cat command on the file, we found we can see a long list of potential passwords that we need to search through. To quickly find the correct password, we can use the grep command. First, we identify our search pattern, in this case the word millionth, and provide the file name as an argument. The command then scans the file and immediately returns the entire line of text containing millionth, giving us the password to the next level. That's all for this level. Remember to save this password so that we can access the next level. As always, I'll be playing a brief recap on the things we learned today, but remember to subscribe and comment any criticism you have for me. I'll see everyone in the next level.